This is Kevin Onizuk, your mortgage guy, and in this video, I'm going to share how you can use gift money for a down payment on your house. Whether you've been saving for a while to buy a home or just wondering how much down payment is enough, it's important to know that some or all of that down payment can be given to you. We call it a gift. Having money saved for down payment can seem like one of the biggest hurdles to reaching your goal of home ownership. First off, know that there are definitely programs out there with low and no down payment options. No down payment at all is required on mortgage programs such as a USDA or a VA mortgage. VA are for veterans. There are also low down payment options for buyers using conventional or FHA mortgages. And there's even grant funds available to help with down payment, especially for first-time buyers. But in addition to all of that, most programs will allow you to receive a gift of money to use toward a down payment. In fact, it's common. A recent study by the National Association of Realtors showed that 32% of all first-time home buyers and 16% of all buyers received a gift of money that was used towards their home purchase. So let's discuss some of the details of a gift, starting with who can give you the money. Generally, mortgage programs require that the donor be a part of your family, but there are some other options as well. Depending on the loan program, some of the acceptable sources of a gift would come from one of the following: a parent or other legal guardian, an aunt, uncle, or other person related by blood or marriage, your spouse, fiance, or domestic partner, your child, even your employer or labor union if they're feeling super generous, or a charitable organization such as your church, even a local government agency or housing office. A lot of times they have gift and grant funds available. Next, let's talk about the paperwork associated with a gift. And if you've ever gotten a mortgage before, you know getting a mortgage is all about the paperwork. Most mortgage programs will require that you provide what we call a gift letter from the donor, basically saying that they are giving you the money and you don't have to pay it back. We'll also need to verify that they actually have the funds available to give to you, and eventually we'll need to document that the money came from them to you and is ready and available for closing. Your lender can let you know exactly what's required with your specific loan program and help with all the needed paperwork, including a template for that gift letter, just so you know it's correct and it says what it needs to say. Just be aware, the money cannot be a loan, so the gift letter can't say anything about terms of repayment or paying it back. Now, every loan program is a little bit different regarding if you can have your whole down payment gifted to you or just part of it, who can gift the funds, and the documentation that you'll need. Be sure to check with your mortgage lender to find out exactly what you need, or just give me a call. I'm always happy to help out. One of the most important things to remember is that the gift funds are just that. They're a gift. They cannot be indicated as being paid back. In fact, if the gift is a loan, it could actually cause your mortgage to be denied because of a lack of acceptable down payment funds. If you're required to pay back any portion of the gifted down payment, it's considered a loan, and loans for down payment are usually just not okay. Let's get back to the paperwork. As we discussed, your lender can help you with the preparation of that gift letter. In addition to the gift letter, you will be required to prove that your gift money has been given to you by the donor, and depending upon how the donor gives you the money for the down payment, you'll need to verify the funds that they have in the account and they have in fact given you the money. This can be done a few different ways depending upon your program and how they gave you the money. Common ways are a copy of the canceled personal check, a copy of the certified check, money order, or withdrawal slip from the donor's bank account. If the donor transfers the money to you electronically, you'll need to show a copy of their bank statement showing that transfer has been completed, and an updated bank statement from you showing you received it. Your mortgage lender can let you know all the documentation you will need to verify the gift. Make sure in advance that your donor is willing to provide their bank statements, proof of the transfer of funds, and any other documentation that might be needed. In the mortgage world, we check and document everything. No secrets. And if they gift you those funds and we see that deposit into your bank account and they're not willing to document everything, it can be really bad for your mortgage approval. So be sure your donor is willing to share. So remember, a gift from your parents, family member, employer, or other gifts or grants might be just the ticket you need to getting into the home of your dreams. It can cover your down payment, closing costs, and everything you need to get into the new home. Or it can just help you make a bigger down payment to make your new mortgage payment even more affordable. Whatever the reason, a gift of money done the right way can make the home purchase process more affordable and open up a lot of additional opportunities for you. And who wouldn't want that? Thanks for watching. Always happy to help out if you have any questions. This is Kevin Onizuk, the Mortgage Guy. You can connect with me online at loanswithkevin.com or give me a shout at 757-645-0196.